Good morning to everybody. Today we are going to see how to become a bank panel engineer, bank panel lawyer. Now, what are the how the income is coming? What is the job role of engineer, lawyer, even the auditor? For auditor, there is no bank panel, but auditor used to give his CMA the details, DSCR, project report and all. According to that, how we will see how the income is getting, what is the benefit of these professionals and all. So normally when you see bank, normally everybody will be knowing that only deposit, we are depositing the amount, they are giving loan. How they are giving loan? For the purpose of giving loan, how many people are involved, how they are asserting the land or building or machineries or equipments and all. Now we will see. Now, for example, for the, now I am going to a bank and I am telling that I am going to run a textile factory. I have a land. I have a land and I want a construction of 1 crore. I want to purchase machineries for 1 crore. So from that, I will get income sales 2021, 31, 3, 2022, 23, 24. I will be getting for past 5 years. By that I will repay the loan amount. Everything we will be telling. These our sales or income and expenditure and profit and depreciations. Everything will be calculated, told by the project report prepared by auditor, chartered auditor. He must be a chartered auditor having membership numbers, and he has to be registered in Indian Auditors Council. And all. There is a lot of is there. So now he will be giving the project report, and bank will tell our panel engineer if the value is more than 1 crore, there will be two. If there is value is less than 1 crore, only one valuation will be enough. He will be telling how much the land cost will be there, how much the building cost estimation, whether they have given correct or not. When they will complete it, what is the project, the stage certificates, work completion certificate. These are the system involved in for a civil engineer in the panel. What is a mechanical engineer? In that mechanical engineer, if any machineries are going to install, according to the quotation invoice, correctly the new machineries are installed or not. What is the life of that? What is the depreciation rate? What is the prime rate? These the details and all they will be giving detail, and for that bank will be paying for them nearly 10,000 like that. According to the value, we will be paying. For stage certificate or engineer evaluation for engineer is to give 5,000 or 10,000. Before that, a lawyer will be giving his legal opinion about how the land and building is there. Everything they will be. When we see the qualification for a panel engineer or lawyer or auditor, these are the things. So for engineer, specific degree, he will be a civil engineer, diploma or BE. With a diploma, he has to give some 5 to 10 years of experiences, and he has to get certified by the Institute of Engineers or Institute of Valuers, and he must be registered in Income Tax Department. His job role is to do estimation, land for land and building. Stage certificate he has to give, any home loan or anything if we give, each stage if you, by his report only we will be releasing the amount. So in that report will be there how much the stage is, what is the stage, first stage 1, stage 2, stage 30% we will be giving. So he has given nearly up to that rental level, or that work is completed, ground level work is completed, first level. So you will be giving according to the report. In that we will be ascertain that whether the borrower has brought his margin or not. We will be given. For the stage certificate we will be giving 1,500 or 2,000 only. For the real valuation land and building we used to give 5,000 or 10,000. For a mechanical engineer, he has to be a diploma or BE. He has to be registered in Income Tax Department, Engineers and Valuation Institute. He must be a registered one with minimum experiences of 5 to 10 years. He is simply, I am an engineer. I will be work under an engineer, panel engineer at least for 5 years. I has to after that. The minimum valuation per year is there. There is a minimum period of valuation per year. So this much amount, nearly up to 10 crore or 20 crore or 50 crore, I have done my valuation for this year. So every year all the bank will ask if you are in SBI or bank, Indian Overseas Bank, any private banks or anything. So if you take government bank SBI plus Nationalized Bank 14, 15 nearly is there. Private banks nearly 20. Foreign banks 8. Totally 43 banks are there. In a month 30 days, a bank will at least give you a loan of 5 to 10. So if you take 43 banks, if you be a panel engineer or panel lawyer, how much income will be there? For lawyer, he must be completed BL or ML, and he has to be practice in court in civil or criminal case according to the cases is there. Okay, then legal opinion, he has to give legal opinion. Then he has to give a legal audit, MO2D, EC, everything has to be given. So for that we will be giving nearly 4,000 or 6,000. And, if he is a notary public lawyer, so amount will be somewhat good. So auditor will be giving, he must be a certified by membership, he must have a membership number, certified auditor, he must be registered in that auditor council, he will be doing credit audit, stock audit, CMA, DSCR ratio for ODOCC account CMA, for term loan account DSCR, and GST filing, ITF, like a lot of works are there. So if you see here for civil engineer, land and building, there will be a guideline value per square feet 1,000 or 2,500. It will be registered in a register office, SRO office. So he will be giving, this is a guideline value, but the market value is higher because it is situated in the main road. So if he is giving like 10 lakhs, then realizable will be 8 lakhs or 85 percentage, 80 to 85 percentage. Then first sale will be approximately 75 to 80 percent. These are the ratios that bank will be giving. According to that, he will give maximum. All the bank will take realizable value or for sales value. These are the estimated value that the property will fetch if the loan is not repaid. For machinery, for any machines, wind turbine and all, mechanical engineer, what he is to do, present value of the machine, these are the depreciation value, life of the machines, everything he will be giving. He also will give the technical economic viability study, whether this unit is good or not, whether this unit will fetch income or not, like that he will give the details. DSA, direct selling agent. So he will be appointed for a home loan, vehicle loan, this and that. For home loan, he will be paid 0.5 percentage. Suppose any loan, home loan nowadays are above 30 lakhs, 40 lakhs, 50 lakhs. Example, 50 lakhs if I am, if the estimation value. For the DSA, what he will do, any teachers, government staffs, any private jobs, any person who is capable to do, he will check in a month if he is giving 4 to 5 home loan account. For per loan 50 lakhs if he is giving, his income is 25,000. So like that 4 home loan if he gives, his salary is minimum 1 lakh. Same way if you take for engineer, his value will be more than 1 lakh. For mechanical engineer also more than 1 lakh. For lawyer also more than 1 lakh. Why? Because there are 43 banks. In a bank, in a month, at least one loan if they disperse also, they have to follow this procedure. Surely these will be fetched easily. So next, if we, and what is the meaning of recovery agent? Recovery agent, what he will do, with the factory we have given loan, land and building, machineries, everything we have given. I take given his project report, but due to some stances, it is failed. It became stressed account or NP account. He couldn't pay. Recovery agent will help the bank to recover all the maximum. Some percentage will be there, 60%, 70% of that loan amount. He will be able to help. According to that, he will be getting commissions. So for a loan, for a single loan, these people are involved, like panel engineer, lawyer, auditor, DSA, recovery agent. These are the people are involved for a single loan. So my sincere advice to young engineers, mechanical engineer, all engineers, you become a panel engineer. You check what are the requirements are there needed in that. According to that, if you put your office and if you do, it's a wonderful job. You can be with your home and you can fetch income a lot. This is my sincere advice and I have known it personally, so I am telling to become a panel engineer, to become a panel lawyer. For auditor and all, that is different. Auditor will not come under panel, because but they will give a project report this to the bank. So mainly for engineers and lawyers, it is a very good opportunity to become a bank panel. So if any doubt, anything, please, any the comments you put in our my comment box, any difficulties, any feedback, surely I will reply. Thanks a lot. Best of luck.